Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Costco customer service. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in customer service.costco.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official customer service interface of Costco. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the featured articles over here. You'll be able to see FAQs. Also, you'll be able to see other trending articles. If you simply click on any of these article topics, you'll be able to read the articles that might help you with your problem. But if you want to contact the customer service over here, you'll be able to find the option for contact us. Simply click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to find the ways to contact the customer service. You'll be able to call them. You'll be able to find various numbers over here. If you want to contact the customer service for Costco online orders, you'll be able to see the number right over here. Also, you'll be able to see the phone hours. From Mondays to Fridays, it is 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. PT. On Saturdays and Sundays, it is 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PT. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the chat hours. You'll also be able to find the phone numbers, phone hours and chat hours for membership and warehouse, Costco Business Center orders, Costco technical and warranty services, technical support, Costco home improvement, install products. Also, you'll be able to find various other phone numbers according to the topics over here. So you can simply give them a call and contact the customer service. Also, you'll be able to chat with them. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, chat us. Right now I'm trying to access a chat agent outside available chat hours. That's why chat box is not opening for me. But the chat box will open for you. All you have to do is simply message them, and like that too, you'll be able to chat with them and contact the customer support. So these are basically the ways to contact the customer service of Costco. So that is how you contact Costco customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.